Hello everyone, I'm Zishan Shah and welcome to Z Interactive, your own training institute. So we will start with our lesson number 7, and in this lesson we will learn how to create hinges inside Substance Painter. So we have these gaps and we will put the hinges in these gaps. So first of all, we have this small dents, and last time I forgot to frame it up, so I will frame it and rename it to small dents. And now I will move all to the other side. Then I will create a blend node. Press shift, take all of them, put it here, and then take the output and put it inside the background. I will click it here, and then I will use the add here so I can see everything what's going on, and then later on we can change it. Now one thing we have to do here is go back here and find wherever we have that hinge gaps. So we have all these hinges here. Okay, basically we are looking for this part, and this is not what we want. This is what we want. So what I will do here is that I will just click it here and then press Alt and click it here, and then take from here to other side, Alt, and then click it here. And then if you will go back here, you can notice that this is what coming out of it. Okay, the issue is that it is creating this sort of a effect here because of the gap, this gap what we have. Now we have to subtract this gap from here. Okay, so we will not have this issue whatever is going on, but first we have to fix its height and everything here. So if you notice, this is what we have here. So I will put a level here, and then I will adjust its height here. No, it's upwards. Okay, now it's getting better, the middle value. And then that's the middle value, I think. And now push it down here. Middle value again. Okay, so now this is set up. Now we have to remove this gap from here. And one thing how we can remove this gap from here is we can go back here. Okay, And at this part, wherever we have this opening here, we need to mask it out. Like in the opacity, we have to fade in these. So if I will go back here, okay, the same thing that I used, I will move it down. Okay, Alt, move back here, Alt, move here, and opacity there. So you can see that it is opposite. So I have to inverse it. So I have to go back in between here, spacebar, inverse it, because if I double click it here, this is what it is doing, and it need to do the opposite of it. So let's go here in between, spacebar, inverse, grayscale value, okay, and then it will remove it from there. Okay, so this is basically what I wanted, but still it is creating this like sort of a issue over here. Now the reason we have this small area is that if I double click it here, you see there is a gap, like a line gap here, like it's blurred out. So what I can do here is that let's go back here and let's see which one is solid. I think they all are blurred. So to fix it, I can go here, spacebar, and then use threshold. Okay, and increase the threshold level here. Okay, and no threshold, yeah. Okay, so 0.5, or just how much we can increase. Double click it here and then go back here, or even we don't have to look there, we have to just look at here, start increasing value when you get something better. Oops. So 0.97, a good value. Okay, so good, are good to go. So from here to here we have created this. Now what we can do here is that we can just move these and create a frame here, so we know what is this. And I will call this hinge gap mask. Okay, and I can change its color to green or something like that, not same as these. So for all the masks we will keep green color here. Okay, so where we are, okay, and line is not straight, so let me move it a little bit up here. Okay, now this one here is for the folder gap, so I will do green as well, and I will call this metal edgeware mask, so we don't go here or there, and this will I will one little bit up there. Okay, Now, if you know that hinges, if you will see, they have a little bit gap here because it's a joint. They are joined together. So we need to make these gaps here, like these gaps, these gaps, these gaps. Okay. So everything is fine here. The height, I think the height is too, like it's too high. Let's reduce the height of it a bit. Yes, that's fine. Now what I will do here is that I will just make a shape. And scale it down just like this. Okay. And I will take this and transform. I will copy and paste these one. Let me do it again so you know what I did. I just made this and then transformed it, and then I took both of them, Control C, Control V, copy paste, and then blend. Okay, put them together. Add this one, I will put it up. And then also the same one, I will select this space bar, then I will choose mirror, and I will choose mirror Y. Okay, so double click it here, single click it here. If you want to change, you can please change it. I will keep it as it is. Now delete this one and use the same and put it here, so that if I change the height of this, height of the others changes together. So I want to keep it as procedural. I want so size Y, this. Okay. Now blend, put this here, this here, here. Okay, and this I will make it subtract. Then put this all here. I will put the transform 2D. Double click it here, then single click here, so we know where. Okay. And then in the tiling mode, I will change this to no tiling. The size of it. Okay. Then I will put a level here and reduce the level. Let's go to the values. This will be more easier. So 0.015. This is much more better. Okay. So What I'm going to do now is that I will just go here, spacebar, spacebar blend. Okay, take this one, the shift key, and put it here, and put this one here. Subtract, it's already subtracted. Okay, now I need to create a one more here with the help of transform 2D, and put this one here, and inside I will add. So let me double click it here and then single click it here so I know what I'm doing. Just put this down. Go back. I want to put it here, so in the middle. So shift and top button. I'm adjusting now with my keyboard. Shift down or shift up, whatever you want. Okay, so now this level here, this one, the top one, I will mirror it down. So I'll just go here, spacebar, mirror. Okay, and I will choose y-axis. That will be automatically mirrored down. Okay, but the offset is a little bit off. You can see here is correct. Here you can see it's a little bit off, so I will adjust the offset of this mirror from here. Oops. Maybe 0.45. No, I'm sorry, 0.55. Oh, I have to reduce it. So 0.48, 0.49, 0.5, 0.52, 0.51, 0.5, or 0.505. Yep, 0.505 is good. So this is what we got it here, and we got our hinges. I'll take all of these, right click it here, add frame, here, and I will rename it to hinges. So I hope you have understood. This is how we can take values from the other parts. We can like from here I took the like this hinges which I already created, and then I masked that gap so it will not create that awkward gap from here. Okay, so everything now looks fine with the hinges. So I hope you have learned something about from this like lesson, like how to do the masking here and how to use previous like previously created some objects and create a new object out of it. And this is a good like result you will see over here, that there is a gap here, and out of this gap we have this hinge coming out. So this is creating a good effect here, and this is why I created these gaps, so it looks more realistic. So these panel gaps for everything, for even for these, it will have the same sort of result. So thanks a lot everyone for joining this lesson. I'm really thankful to you all for supporting me, and I hope to receive your support continuously. I have noticed that many of you are watching my videos, but not you have not subscribed to my channel yet. So please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon so you can receive all the notifications about the great new contents I will be uploading soon. If you have liked my video, so please hit the like button. And if you have any queries or any questions, then leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them as soon as possible. And one request I have, and that is I have noticed that some of the viewers do not watch my videos online and instead they download them. Please, if anyone is doing that and if you find someone doing them, then please stop them, because this will never help me to get my hard work paid off and it will demotivate me. So I don't want to stop making tutorials for you all. Therefore, help me to get new subscriber. I will take off now, and take care guys till we meet in the next class. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep learning on Z Interactive, your own training.
There is one important announcement I would like to make. I have started 3 great membership plans on my channel. I have introduced ZI Friends membership plan, which will give you exciting perks like loyalty badges and priority on comments. I have also introduced ZI Early Bird plan, which will give access to Z Interactive tutorials way early before they become public. So you will get all these lessons at once and you can binge watch. Last but not the least, I have introduced ZI Premium plan, which will give access to advanced professional tutorials, which you will find at very expensive outside, and I will be giving this at a very low amount of price. So visit my channel now and click on the join membership to get more information. I hope you become one of my members. If you want to learn how to create a highly detailed prop procedurally using Substance Designer, so this premium tutorial series is for you. Join my premium membership plan on YouTube and get access to all premium tutorials. In this tutorial series, I will demonstrate how to use Substance Designer along with simple geometry to create a realistic, smashed up retro television.